Top 3 mistakes people learning DSA do. So be honest, is this your current routine? You sit down, you open lead code, do some random problem sheet, a YouTube playlist, and you start bookmarking everything, but do nothing. Mistake number 1, tutorial hopping. On day 1, you start with array playlist. On day 2, you jump into 450 question sheet. And on day 3, you watch random dynamic programming video without any context. So what happens? You eventually abandon everything. A roadmap that actually changes is not a roadmap. It is a distraction. So what to do? You pick up a particular roadmap and you have to stick to it. Mistake number 2, motivation loop. So this is very dangerous. On a fine Sunday morning, you watch a random video and you think like, hey, this is new life, new grind, and 8 hours a day. You start doing questions, and on one fine Thursday night, your life gets busy. You miss up a question or you miss up doing something on that particular day. And on the same following Tuesday, your life gets busy. You miss a day. So what you do with the guilt, you just disappear for a week and then avoid the shame. And then you watch a random YouTube video again, get motivated, and again start doing it on Sunday. So this is a spike. Usually, these are the people who gets motivated by short videos. Suddenly, they realize their mistakes and do overcorrection. So after 2 days, they go back to their old ways again. Mistake number 3, perfectionism and memorizing. So you see the YouTube video, you go through all the code, you feel very motivated and confident. But when you are actually asked a question in an interview, you get stuck. There are 2 types of behavior. Behavior A, they just want the solution the second they get stuck. Or they say, I'll stop for a real when I actually find a perfect course, perfect sheet, or perfect notes, which doesn't happen. So waiting for perfect setup is actually a defense mechanism to avoid the pain of struggling through a problem on your own. Remember, there is no perfect sheet, perfect course, or perfect notes. There is only the way that you do today. And finally, when you stop relying on luck or memory and start relying on habit, that is what actually is consistency. So comment down if you could relate to any of those mistakes. Follow Late Night Dev for more such content and learning things the right way.